Balikasag Island is a short 30-minute boat ride from the island of Panglao, Bohol. Boasting powdery white sands and a fish sanctuary upon its reefs, the island is also home to Turtle Point, a popular spot for sea turtles.
Just arrived on Balikasag Island.
And in a short while, I'll be setting out in a small bangka boat to Turtle Point. And we're off. On the way, I explored the reef of the fish sanctuary, and it was brimming with many brightly colored and friendly fish. Soon enough, it was time to make our way over to Turtle Point. After a few minutes of searching, my boatman signaled a turtle, so I rushed over, hoping that I could catch him in time. You wouldn't expect it, but these little guys are super fast. Finally, I saw him, the beautiful sea turtle. The experience was amazing. I was so giddy that I'd finally seen my first turtle, and it definitely made for a fun memory that I could bring back home.